Yes, welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So here I'm going to teach you Angular technology as a part of the course, Angular framework as a part of this course. So before starting that introduction related things, first of all, I want to give you class and course related information. Okay, right? Whoever missed yesterday, okay, they will be they will understand. So daily class timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. same time, and the class days will be Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I don't disturb your time. So Monday to Friday only classes, weekly 5. Then course duration will be 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay, everybody? Yes. So you will get pre-recorded videos with example files. See here, everybody. I don't have any PDF files because this is a framework. In order to do anything, any small work, in order to modify any small work also, we need to refer 3 to 4 files easily. So in that case, okay, if I want to give any PDF file, of course I can give, but that means I don't have that PDF file. But in the PDF file, we cannot explain that properly. Why? Because we need to refer 3 to 4 files, right? So that's my intention. So that's why I'm giving the notes, example files. Okay, topic by topic, I will give you the notes so that you also can prepare topic by topic. It will be more beneficial for you than the PDF files. And you will get pre-recorded videos, not this live recording, but you will get pre-recorded videos, same example, same syllabus. Okay, everybody, right? If anything is modified, if anything I have added extra, definitely that class will be recorded. Those videos I will give you. Understand, everybody? If any modifications are there, any code changes are there, definitely I will record that session. That videos I will upload into the drive also. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Like new students, Amit and Vainay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So one more time telling, I don't have any PDF files. Right. Then after this one, prerequisites. So Angular is a framework, everybody. Angular is a framework. Okay, everybody. Angular is a framework. So to learn any type of frameworks, we should know that language. Why? Because each and every framework has to develop by using any core language. Each and every framework has to develop by using any core language. For example, by using Java, they have developed Spring and Hibernate. By using PHP, they have developed CodeIgniter and Laravel frameworks. By using Python, they have developed Django. Okay, everybody. So Python is a language, Django is a framework. Spring and Hibernate are the frameworks, Java is the language. CodeIgniter and Laravel are the different frameworks. They have developed PHP is the language. So by using languages, they have developed the frameworks. So in order to learn that type of frameworks, we need to that related knowledge also, that language related knowledge also. Okay, everybody. So without Java knowledge, can you learn Spring and Hibernate? Respond, everybody. Without Java knowledge, can you learn Spring and Hibernate? Respond, everyone.
No, sir.
Okay, no. So in the same way, without this TypeScript knowledge, we cannot. Without this TypeScript knowledge, you cannot learn this Angular also. Okay, everybody. Not only TypeScript, so many little bit things we need to know about also. Okay. So what are the prerequisites to learn these technologies? So the prerequisites are HTML. Okay, whatever the version may be, but latest version is 5. CSS, whatever the version may be, latest version is 3. JavaScript or TypeScript. See here, everybody, at least basics of JavaScript you should know. Okay, and the TypeScript, however, I'm going to teach you as a part of the course. Okay, I'm going to teach you TypeScript, but Angular testing is not part of the course. Okay, everybody. So don't. Okay. Sorry. What is that? Angular testing is not included in this course. Angular complete development I will teach you, but not testing. Okay, but I will teach you TypeScript. Okay, with OOPS concepts. So if you know any other language OOPS concept, that will be good for you. Okay, but I am going to teach here TypeScript and Bootstrap also you should know, and the Bootstrap related grid system I will explain in the class with the practical examples. So TypeScript you will understand clearly. Bootstrap grid system you can understand clearly, so that you can create a responsive web pages also. It will be useful for responsive web pages. Understand, everybody? What are the prerequisites and everything? Class and course related information clear? Amit, Vinay,
Yes,
Banu.
Yeah,
Okay. Right. Yes.
on Bootstrap, I'm not having knowledge. Like a JavaScript, I have only basic thing.
That's what.
And
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you.
I-
Definitely, I'm going to teach you Bootstrap related grid system. That is a crucial point in the Bootstrap. Okay, Vinay.
Oh.
So definitely you can understand remaining Bootstrap also. Yeah. You want to say anything, Vinay, other than that?
No, that's it.
Okay, yeah, definitely you will understand that bootstrap related grid system. Okay, yes, perfect. Now come here, everybody, see here. Now let's go to the introduction of Angular. See, Angular introduction already have sent you in the chart. Okay, everybody, you can go through that links. Why? Because last class also I have told that only, and the Friday class also I have told that only. So again, if I repeat, other students will kill me. So please try to understand that. Okay, right. But I will give a little bit brief introduction. Then after we'll move to the today class only. Okay, right. So what is Angular? Okay, everybody, what is Angular? Just to start the Angular introduction. So Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework. So it follows what? MVC structure. MVC structure means model view controller. Okay, everybody, right? That is the structure this Angular will follow. And it is a client-side framework. It is developed by Google company. Since Google is a very big company, it is a very huge company. It is one of the top 5 companies in the world. It is one of the top 5 companies in the world. Okay, everybody, right? Since it is very big company in the world, and there is always huge support will be there. For okay, definitely you can take it as your career also. Definitely we can take it as your, yeah. Give me a second, everyone. Somebody is calling me. Give me a second. Sorry, everybody. Right. So since it is a very big company, there is always huge support for this technology. Definitely you can choose this as your career. Right. And then after, as I told, each and every framework has to develop by any core language only. So TypeScript is the language. By using this TypeScript only, these persons, Google company has developed this. Okay, a Angular framework. Okay, everybody, right. So why everybody develop the framework is because we can develop any type of application a little bit faster. Okay, it will give basic structure related to security, basic structure related to performance, basic structure related to SEO friendly URLs. Okay, everybody, it will give that basic structure. Same basic structure, if you want to write by your own, of course, it can be possible if you are very talented. But how much your talent also minimum, it will take 3 to 6 months time. But instead of writing you by your own, if you download any framework, within 5 to 10 minutes, you can download that framework. Okay, everybody. And within 5 to 10 minutes, we can change the basic settings in that framework and immediately we can start the business logic. But rather than that, if you want to develop by your own, it will take lot of time, 3 to 6 months time. Okay, right. So that's why everybody developing their applications nowadays by using frameworks. It will reduce the development time. Since the development is since it is reducing the development time, so client will release the money little bit faster, so that companies also will be in profits. So that is also one of the reason, because they can develop the applications very faster. Okay, everybody, right? So under, if you observe here, client side technology, it is what? This is the client side technology. So in the software industry, we have two types of technologies: client side technologies and server side technologies. So what is the difference between them is, by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. By okay. So what are the client side technologies we have? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But by using server side technology, we can store our data permanently. How we can store our data permanently? Because the technology whatever you are using, that has the capacity to connect with the database. For example, Java is a server side data technology, server side language. We are able to connect with the Oracle database. PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL database. Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB database. Okay, everybody, these are all server side technologies only. By using this functionality, okay, what is that server side correction functionality? We are able to store our data in the database, so that the data will be permanent and secure as well. But by using these client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. Clear, right, everybody? Clear, respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, right. So, sir, you are telling that this is a client side technology. That means we are not able to connect with the database. Without connecting to the database, we are not able to deal with the data. Without dealing with the data, we are not able to display. Without displaying the data, nobody uses our application. For example, we have opened Myntra or else Amazon.in. Okay, so morning to evening have opened 100 times. but no single product is coming. No single product they are showing. Do you open the same application tomorrow? Respond everybody. Do you open the same application tomorrow? You have tried 100 times today. No. So out of 100, only 10% will open tomorrow. So that 10% people also, okay, open that application 200 times next day, but still no product is showing. Did they open a third day? Out of 10, only 1% will open third day. So they have that person also opened 400 times this time, but still no single application also, no single product also they are showing. Then what happens in the fourth day? Nobody uses the application. Why? Because it is not showing any type of data. It is not showing any type of data. So data is very, very important for each and every application. Not only for each and every application, each and every human also, data is important. For example, you are coming to the demo class. Okay, you are not speaking anything. I am also not speaking anything. No single word I am speaking. Do you pay the fee tomorrow? Respond everybody. If I don't speak anything, do you pay the fee tomorrow?
No.
No. Why? You are coming here for knowledge. Knowledge is nothing but data. So if there is no data transaction, no value for anything. Okay, everybody, if there is no data transaction, no value for anything. If it is application or else human being also. Okay, everybody, right. So that is the importance of the data. Sir, you are telling the importance of data, but it is a client-side technology. So since it is a client-side technology, we are not able to connect and we are not able to deal with the data and we are not able to display the data. Then what is the use of the technology? That is a doubt everybody will get. So what is the use of the technology? Of course, we are not able to connect with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to connect with the database. How we are able to connect with the database indirectly? Because of the REST API. What is that, everybody? Because of the REST API. REST API uses everywhere. Okay, every application nowadays are working depends upon the REST APIs only. For example, if you open your smartphone, there are mobile applications are available. Each and every mobile application, whether it is Android or else iOS or else hybrid mobile app, whatever it may be, whatever the OS may be, if you are using mobile application means that is working depends upon the REST APIs only. Why? Because all mobile softwares like Android, okay, iOS, those are all client side. Wait 1 second. Give me a second. Sir, everybody, right. So all these client side softwares, that means client side OS, all these OS like Android OS and iOS OS and any other OS also, those are all client side only. So that's why they are not able to connect with the database directly. Okay, so the server side programmers, they will develop the web applications also. Each and every mobile application has, okay, web applications also. For example, WhatsApp, it has a web application. PhonePe, it has a web application. Paytm, it has a web application. YouTube, it has a web application. Each and every mobile application should have a web application. Depends upon the web application only. The server side programmers will develop the, okay, REST APIs. That REST APIs, through REST APIs, they will share the data. So the mobile application developers, they should use that REST APIs and they need to utilize that REST APIs only. Clear, everyone? Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. By using that REST APIs, they need to use that. Okay, everybody, right. So for example, sir, one mobile application, can you explain? Yes, of course. For example, PhonePe is there, or else MobiKwik also there. So by using PhonePe, can you recharge your mobiles or not? Can you pay your electricity bill or not? Can you pay your LIC bill or not? Definitely we can do that. Okay, everybody. Why? Of course. For example, electricity bill. How can you pay your electricity bill? By entering your service number. Who is providing you the service number? Electricity department is providing you the service number, or PhonePe is providing you the service number? Respond, everybody. Electricity department. Since they are, yeah, how they will provide? Because you will, whenever you completed your home, you will apply for electricity. Right, everybody? You will apply for electricity meter. Okay, so by providing appropriate documents, so that they will assign some electric meter, it will contain a service number. Since they are collecting your information, they need to store your data in their database only. Previously, everybody store the users sorry users data in their files, but nowadays everybody is storing their users data in the applications, web applications only, in their database only. So Since they are maintaining their your data, they need to know that data, your data. They need to maintain your data. So, okay, but where are you entering the service number? You are entering in the phone pay. So actually phone pay should not display your data, but still it is displaying your data. Why? Because the electricity department persons are sharing your data with the phone pay and other mobile applications. Okay, and other mobile applications which is allowing you to pay the electricity bill by using their app. Why? Because this electricity department is allowing, okay, that permission. How? They are not sharing the electricity department related database, username, password, like that. Just whatever the data they have, electricity department data, that data only they will share it with the phone pay or else any other money transaction app also. So that what happens, no need to register web application, this one electricity department separately and LIC application separately, mobile recharge website separately, and other things also, bike insurance and any other things also, no need to register separately. One time, one application, only phone pay. By using this phone pay, you can make any type of payments. So application is one, but we can do number of works and repeatedly. Okay, everybody. So that is the advantage of the REST APIs. That is the advantage of the REST APIs. One application, multiple solutions. But previous days, without REST APIs, what happens? We need to go to each and every application. Okay, sorry, we need to open each and every application individually. For example, mobile recharge, Airtel, Jio, or else Tata Docomo, previous days. We need to open, we need to recharge there. Or else we need to purchase some recharge cards, then we need to recharge. And in the same way, electricity bill also, we need to go to the electricity department application. There we need to pay. And LIC same. Either we need to go to offline or else online. Okay, right. But nowadays, only one application, phone pay. We can pay, we can do any type of work also. Not only phone pay, GPay, Google Pay, okay, Beam UPI, whatever it may be, Paytm, whatever it may be, you are doing that. That is the advantage of the REST APIs. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is the advantage. Okay, everybody, that is the advantage of the REST API. So this is about client-side framework and Google Compare and everything. Then after, so sir, what is this MVC structure? You are not explaining it. Yes, I'm going to explain that only. So what is this MVC structure and how we will coordinate that REST API with this MVC structure? Basic concept I will tell you. Okay, of course, in the day one you cannot understand. I know that. Whenever you join in my course and when day by day, gradually, you can understand it. No need to worry about that. Okay, everybody, just a basic overview I'm trying to give you. Okay, everybody, right. So how that REST API will coordinate with this MVC. So I want to explain that through Paint. Wait 1 second. Yes. Now see it, everybody. What is this? Observe it, everybody. What is this? Consider this box is a model. What is this, everybody? Consider this box is a model. Understand it, everybody. And consider this box is the view. Okay, everybody, consider this box is the view. And consider this box is the controller. Okay, right. So MVC, model, view, controller. So what is the purpose of the model? What is the purpose of the model? Dealing with the data. Understanding it, everyone? What is that? Dealing with the data. Since we are dealing with the data, so where is data is available in the model? And what is the purpose of the view? Whatever the data we have in our application, we should display through view page only. So display data. And not only that, whatever the data we are expecting from the user, that data also we need to get. So whatever the data we have, we need to display. So display data and get data from the user. Both are the view responsibility. Okay, right. So actually, where is the data is available to display? In the model. Respond, everyone. If we have data in the model, directly can we send this data directly to the view page? Respond kindly. Though we have the data in the model, can we display the data in the directly in the view page? Respond kindly. Hello? Hello? Getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. We have data in the model. Can we send it directly the data directly to the view page? No. In any MVC, that is not possible. That's why I keep here cross mark. We cannot send this model data directly to the view page. Then how can I send this? Like that, everybody will get some doubt. So very simple observable table. That's why we have the controller. So controller will work like a coordinator between the model and view. Controller will work like a coordinator between the model and view. So we need to call this model in this controller. We need to call this view in this controller. And here we will coordinate. See it everybody, m underscore data. M underscore data stands for model data. So we are calling this model into the controller, right? So we are getting the data here, model underscore data. That data we are assigning to a variable in the controller. What is that? C underscore data. C underscore data stands for controller data. That is a variable. So the rule is in MVC's framework, what are the variable you declared in the controller? What is that, everybody? What are the variable you declared in the controller? That particular variable only we can print in the view page. What is that, everybody? What are the variable you declared in the controller? That particular page only, or that particular variable only you can print in the view page. So that's why what is, yeah. So that's why what is the thing I'm doing? I'm declaring a variable called C underscore data. For that I'm assigning M underscore data. Just overview only. Understand it, everybody? Okay. Model underscore data I'm assigning to this C underscore data. That is nothing but controller data. And this controller data I am printing in the view page. Clear it, everybody? This C underscore data I am printing in the view page. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Banu,
Yeah.
Hari,
Yes.
Irfan. Okay, right. Shiva, Hemalata, Tanisha, Rajesh, Irfan. Respond, everybody.
Yes,
Hari.
sir.
Okay, everybody. Right. So this is how MVC structure will work. Sir, from the last 5 to 10 minutes, you are telling about data like that. But it is a client-side technology. So how we are able to deal with the data? Okay, that doubt you will get also. So actually, where is data is available? Of course, in the model, but not directly. The data actually available in the database. Where it is, everybody? In the database. So in the database, how we will store our data? In the tabular format. Okay, multiple tables will be there, and each and every table will store our data. Okay, how? By using rows and columns. For example, ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, gender, languages known, address, everything will keep there. Those are all the columns. Then after we will enter appropriate data also. So whatever it may be, we are storing our data in the tables in tabular format. Where the data is available inside this database only. Clear it, everybody? Right. So since it is a client-side technology, directly we are not able to deal with this database. We are not able to connect with this database. Then what will we do? Then what will we do? Very simple. That's why in every company, not only client-side programmers, obviously there will be server-side programmers. Obviously there should be server-side programmers. Okay, everybody? Right. So what happens is the server-side programmers and client-side programmers working in a company, right? Each and every company has to maintain a server. And the client server also will be there, and the company related server also should be there. Why? Because each and every company maintains different clients. So daily they need to show some updates. That's why each and every company has to maintain their own server also. Okay, first of all, when our application is developing, each and every developer develop their work in their computers only. Then after they will send that work to the team leader. Then the team leader will merge that all the programmers work in a single application. Then after that, team leader will send this your data either to the client server or else to the company server, whatever it may be. Okay, so client server also, company related server also, whatever it may be, team leader will take care of that. Okay, so whatever it may be, the server name is sample.com. What is our server name, everybody? Sample.com. So the server side developers moved their work to the sample.com. Okay, so their work is completed, and not only that, not only their application related work, their work, they need to generate some REST APIs also. So to generate the REST APIs, they have to take one extra page also. What is that? API.php. Think like that. API. There is a page they have taken extra. Okay, in that page, what is the thing they will do? They will write so many functions. For example, get users, get products, get categories, get subcategories. So many functions they will write. And each and every function they will write different queries to retrieve particular type of data. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Right. For example, get users. In this get users function, what we will write? Select star from users. What is that, everybody? Select star from users. So whenever you write there select star from users, what is that, everybody? Whenever you write there, select star from users. What is the result you will get?
List of users.
Yes, you will get the list of users. How in which format? In which
JSON.
format you will get the data? In the tabular format. What is that, everybody? In the tabular format. So do that tabular format users data. Can I send it to the others? No. So that's why each and every language, what they will have, they have a predefined method. They have a predefined method. The data, whatever coming in the tabular format, they have a predefined method to convert into JSON. What is that JSON? JSON. JS stands for JavaScript. O stands for object. N stands for notation. What is the meaning of notation? Sequence of data. What is that, everybody? Sequence of data. For example, music notation will be there. What is that music notation? A sequence, how an instrument should play. When it should be rise, when it should be up, when it should be down, when it should be medium, when it should be low. That sequence they will write. Depends upon that, each and every orchestra should play. Each and every orchestra, each and every instrument should play in that orchestra. Clear it, everybody? So that is what? A notation, a music notation. What is that? A sequence. In the same way, whatever the data we have, we will convert the table format data into objects. That is what a sequence of data. Since it is a sequence of data, we can call it as a notation. Which objects? JavaScript related objects. So that is why it is a JavaScript object notation. Sir, how to write JavaScript related objects? Very simple. Each and every JavaScript object we should write inside the curly braces. So actually we have data in the tabular format, but they have a predefined method. For example, JSON underscore encode in the PHP. So that what happens, they will convert that entire tabular format data into JSON format. After conversion, this is how it will look like. So since it is a JSON object, it should have curly braces. Inside the curly braces, okay, we should write the data. How we should write the data? As a pair of key and value. What is that, everybody? As a pair of key and value. Understanding that my point? Respond, everybody. Okay, right. As a pair of key and value. And one more thing, irrespective of the data. What is that, everybody? Irrespective of the data, each and every key should contain double quotations. For example, see it, everybody, ID, it is the key. One is the value. So to separate the key and the value, we should use colon. Understanding my point? Respond.
Yeah.
Okay. So to separate the key and the value, we should use the colon. Okay, and irrespective of the value, for example, 1 is the number, Ramesh is the alphabets, Ramesh online trainer 01 is the alphanumeric value. So irrespective of the value, each and every key should contain double quotations, not single quotation as well. If we want to write proper JSON object, we should write inside the double quotations. Clear, everybody? Right, each and every key should contain double quotation irrespective of the value. And it depends upon the value. For example, it is purely number or else Boolean values like true or false. Then without double quotations, we can write. But if he is alphabet or else alphanumeric or else alphanumeric special characters, then we should write inside the double quotations. Okay, but irrespective of the value, each and every key should contain double quotation. And see it, everybody, to separate each and every object. See it, from here to here, it is an object. And to separate each and every object, we should use comma, not semicolon. Remember, everybody, we should use comma only. Okay, right. See it, from ID1 completed, ID2 also completed. So to separate each and every object, we should use comma. For the last object, no need to have comma, but by mistake, I have kept here comma. But for the last object, no need to have here comma. That is one thing. And not only that, to separate each and every key also, we should use comma after the value. For example, ID is the key, first name is another key. So after writing the value for the ID, we should use comma to separate each and every key. So objects, we should use commas, not semicolons. Okay, everybody? Right. So this is how they will convert. So since it is multiple data, what they will do? They will keep in a array. They will keep in an array. Understand that my point? Respond, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. They will keep in an array. So where this array is available inside the function, what is that? Get users. Where this function is available inside the API page. Where this API page is available in the sample.com. So this data is available inside this entire URL. Okay, everybody. So this entire URL can be called as REST API. So that what the server-side programmers will do, they will give you simply this REST API only. This link only they will give you. They don't copy this entire array of data and they don't paste in your computer. Why? Because this is very complicated and nonsense work also. Why? Because of course today there is 2 records. Tomorrow there will be 2000 records. Day after tomorrow 20,000 also will be there. In that case, daily they cannot copy and paste each and every data in your computers. Simply they will give this URL, and this URL contain that latest data 220, 200, 2000, 20,000, whatever it may be. This URL contain that entire data. So just we need to utilize this the URL only. So this URL we should utilize in the model. From this URL we need to retrieve the data in the model. After retrieving we need to call this model in the controller. After calling in the controller, we should assign a variable in the controller by declaring it. Then after what are the variable declared in the controller, that particular variable we need to print in the view page. Clear, right, everybody? Please respond kindly. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is how we will coordinate REST API data with the MVC structure. Okay, right. So this is the thing, right? So by using this MVC structure and the Angular framework, what we can do? We can develop the web applications. Sir, how we can develop the web applications by using Angular? Very simple, everybody. If you want to develop the web applications by using Angular, sorry, if you want to develop the web applications by using Angular, okay, everybody, we need to divide our application into components. What is it, everybody? We need to divide our application into components. One more time telling, listen clearly. If you want to develop the web applications by using Angular, we need to divide our application into components. Okay, right. For example, I have an application that contains 4 files: home, about, services, and contact. Then how many pages I need to create? 4 pages. So if you have 4 pages, then how many components I need to create? Respond, everybody. I have 4 pages called home, about, services, and contact. So according to Angular, we need to divide into components, right? Tell me, I have 4 pages. How many components I need to create? Respond. 4 components, okay? Home, about, services, and contact. And in these 4 components also, header, menu, home, about, service, and contact. Header section, menu section, footer section, everything is common or different? Respond, everyone. Header section, they are common or different? Respond kindly.
Common.
Common. Oh no, common.
Common.
Yeah, common one. Okay, if you open Myntra, if you open the starting page also, products page also, everything, header will be common. In the same way, footer and menu also common only. Okay. So if it is common, then how many components I need to create for header? For example, home header, about header, services header, contact header. Like that, I need to create 4 headers, right? Respond, Ira. I need to create 4 headers. No, actually, I need to create only 1 header component. What is that, everybody? Actually, we need to create only 1 header component. If we create header component, since it is common all components, we can call that header component into another component also. So component is nothing but reusable block of code. What is that, everybody? Component is nothing but reusable block of code. Okay, if there is a view, if that view contains any functionality, definitely we should create a component. Understanding now? Respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Banu Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. If there is a view, if there has a functionality, we should create a component. So entire page also a component, and each and every page in that section also a component. Okay, everybody. Sorry, each and every section in that page also a component. Entire page also a component, and each and every section in that page also a component. So okay, everybody, this is about the component. So one more time telling, if you want to develop your application by using Angular, we need to divide our application into components. We need to divide our application into components. There is no limit for the components creation. Okay, everybody, there is no limit for the component creation. If you want, you can create 1. If you want, you can create 100. If you want, we can create 1 crore also. Actually, there is no limit for the component creation. Okay, a number of components we can create. Okay, sir, what is this components? Is there any predefined components are available? Yes, there is one predefined component will be there. What is it, everybody? YAP component will come automatically whenever we install Angular. So about that YAP component, everything, whenever Angular class is started, I will explain that. Okay, everybody, right? No need to worry about that Angular YAP and everything. Definitely, I will explain you very clearly whenever Angular started. So tomorrow, what is the thing I will do is, I will tell you the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Then after I will start the TypeScript classes first. Once the TypeScript class is completed, then I will start the Angular classes. At that time, I will show you that components and everything very clear. Okay, everybody? Understanding it, everybody? Hello?
Yeah. Understood.
Okay, right. Actually, I want to continue, but a little bit throat pain and little bit unhealthy is there. Okay, so please don't mind. I have a little bit vomiting sensation. That's why I'm canceling the class suddenly. Okay, so that means suddenly I'm winding up. Okay, so don't mind everybody. Okay, right. Hope this class is understand right from starting to ending today class. Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you very much, everybody. Right. So leave it like this. Tomorrow class, I will show you what is this. I will tell you what is this TypeScript technology and what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Everything. Okay, everybody. Right. And once this is
Yes,
completed
sir.
TypeScript, yeah, then after I will tell you about the Angular. At that time, I will tell you what is that components very clearly. What that predefined component contains. Everything I will explain you. Okay. Right. One more time telling everybody, Angular testing is not part of the course. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. Right. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay.
Sir, one doubt I am having, sir. Sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I need to do a project in which MongoDB, Node.js, and Angular it will be included, sir. So after this course, do I have to, take those courses also, sir, on Node.js and MongoDB?
Yeah. Actually, whatever the MongoDB I express Node.js, I write in the class. That only I will explain. Okay. If you want some extra knowledge, okay, then you need to learn that technology also. Okay, Amit. Okay. Right. But whatever the code I write, definitely I will explain that. Okay, Amit.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Right. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much, everybody. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Uh,
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what.
I'll ask in the class. Once.
Okay. After the class, that means tomorrow class you will ask.
Yeah, no, today only. Now I'll ask, sir. Okay. So, sir, tomorrow onwards, TypeScript classes will be start, right?
Yeah. TypeScript I will start. Yes. Introduction first of all I will do. So if there is time, I will tell you examples tomorrow, or else day after tomorrow I will tell the examples. Day after tomorrow onwards I will start the examples. If there is time tomorrow, okay. So definitely I will teach tomorrow only. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me one. Any doubt?
And that's it, sir. That's it, sir.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
And then daily, we are seeing the same topics, right? So that's the reason, sir.
No, not same. See, daily at least we are increasing at least 1 point.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Right. Thank you very much, everybody. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay. Bye.
Sure. Thank you, sir.